You have 5 seconds to remember the location of the hidden items. Look carefully. Where is the strawberry? Where is the cherry? Where is the mango? Please like if you get first 3 answers correct. Where is the lemon? Where is the banana? What is missing? If you remember, write in the comments and I will like it.